Fatou, ni fais ta phone une caméra là. Ni fais ta phone comme Magali. Fatou, na comme ubina bo. Na kuma mbi fe na kuma mbi kuni kanche na foya. Fatou, na sino yo woro sara. Ai na. Ubina bo ko, ubina bo ka bo kelingeli. Mais est-ce que vous êtes sûr? Vous n'avez pas Amna vous n'avez pas quoi?
On est chauffeur inflé, il est à ma salle 5 ans. Si toi tu veux aller là-bas, tu veux t'abouer mais il ne faut pas que mon rôle parce qu'on n'est pas protégé.
Ça va aller, ça va aller. Non, caméra oui. Caméra voilà, Dogana Mumba filmer normal là. Et bah filmer normal là quoi. Voilà, et va filmer normal là. Non, Yaman Boram Babel, vous sont à la bonne Yaman Boram. Voilà. Il y a là, il y a là, et voilà, Flacona. Super Flacona là. Adjoazi. Ibeka! Assassin! Ibeka! Assassin! Ibeka! Assassin! Ibeka! Assassin! Ibeka! Assassin! Ibeka! 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 Corrompu! Mali président! Assassin! Ibeka! Corrompu! Ibeka! Corrompu! Ibeka! 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 Ibeka, c'est Manu, Mali président, c'est Manu, Ibeka, Mali président, c'est Manu, Ibeka, Mali président, Soumana, Mali président, Soumana, Mali président, Ibeka, Ibeka, corruption, népotisme, corruption, népotisme, corruption, crime associé, mesdames et messieurs, il coûte très cher à notre Aïe, à chauffer.
Des milliards et des milliards sont volés chaque année. Le vérificateur, il vérifie, mais on n'a jamais vu de sanctions.
He's not gonna come through that door. He's not gonna come through that door, people. He's gonna go through the back door because he knows his people here. He's gonna be embarrassed today. He's not coming through that door, people. You go through the back door. We out here. We are determined. When the people are determined, they can do anything.
Le dictateur abat. La corruption abat. Le népotisme abat. Le président Dormer abat. Le président Bagan abat. Le président qui coûte très cher abat. Le président qui est venu avec 150 personnes abat. Le président qui a dormi dans les hôtels de luxe à New York abat. Des hôtels qui ont coûté des centaines de milliers de dollars abat. Le président tricheur d'élection, le président qui vient de voler les élections, en complicité de son premier ministre Boubé, Aguerlaf, Abba. Boubey. Karim. Ami. Abba les voleurs. Abba les soldats voleurs. Abba les généraux corrompus. Abba les généraux corrompus. Abba les soldats corrompus. Abba les présidents dictateurs. Abba les présidents assassins. Abba les fils de présidents assassins. Abba les journalistes corrompus. Abba les soldats corrompus. Abba les présidents corrompus. Abba les présidents voleurs. Abba les présidents mineurs. Abba les présidents dormeurs. Abba les généraux. Abba les généraux corrompus. Abba les présidents voleurs. Abba les présidents...
Les généraux des salons.
Abba.
Les généraux qui refusent d'aller sur les terrains des opérations.
Abba.
America, y'all need to listen to Africa. America, y'all need to listen to Africa again. Africa is on the street. African children are running away. We should stay back home.
We want freedom. We want a freedom.
What kind of future Africa has?
We want a justice. We want a justice.
What kind of future African children has? When we all running away from Africa, one day you will not see nobody in Africa. African children running away. You ask yourself why we all running away from Africa. Leader like him coming to America, take your taxpayer money, ask you for your money. You give your money to him to go save Africa, but he doesn't save Africa. We don't know justice.
No justice.
No peace, no justice. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
What do you want?
Justice.
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 What do you want?
Freedom.
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 Ibaka.
Voilà.
Le gouvernement. Le gouvernement.
Abba.
Le ministre Agarlaf.
Abba.
Ministre Agarlaf.
Abba.
Arif Kota.
Abba.
Bouba.
Abba.
Vanessa.
Abba. Abba.
Abba le dirigeant dirigé.
Abba.
Abba le dirigeant dirigé.
Abba.
Abba la France.
Abba.
Abba le népotisme.
Abba.
Abba le favoritisme.
Abba.
Ibaka.
Abba.
Ibaka.
Abba.
Ibaka.
Voleur.
Bombay. Bombay. Les cigars salifs. Les journalistes corrompus. Les traites. Les démagogues. Camarades, merci.
Merci camarades. Je voudrais vous dire.
Aywa. America, African children crying out for your help. America, listen to African children. This is the children of a Martin Luther King. This is the children of a Malcolm X. This is the children of America. All human beings are created equal. African children need mercy. Need your mercy. Before you give your money to the African leaders, think about their school. Think about they don't have no water. Voleur. 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 Abba. Abba.
Allez président! Allez président! Allez président! Allez président! Allez président! What do you want, guy?
Justice.
What do you want, guy? Justice! What do you want?
Freedom.
What do you want, guy? Justice!
Thank you, boss. We want justice. We want freedom. We want freedom. No freedom, no freedom, no freedom.
Justice when you want it.
Now!
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
What you want?
Justice
When you want it.
now.
Thank you.
Abba les journalistes corrompus!
Abba.
Abba les journalistes complices!
Abba.
Abba les politiciens complices. Abba les politiciens complices. Abba le népotisme. Abba le népotisme. Abba le trafic d'influence.
Pas le trafic de biens. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Et bien, adressez-la nous là.
He's stealing our country money. Yes. For himself and his
You
family.
talking to them. You talking to them, not
He
us.
costs a lot to our budget. Yes. My country is lacking everything. Yes. We have no road. Yes. We have no school. No. People have basic needs. Yes. We have no clean water.
Abandon
Yes.
it,
But the president, he's sleeping.
Abandon
He
dictator.
wants to wake up. Yes. And take over.
You want any?
I just want what the
Okay, we are here protesting against our president. Yeah, the president of Mali. The president of Mali, his name is Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta. You know, he's been in power for 5 years. So we just had an election. A month ago, he lost the election. He incarcerated over 1,000 people in my country. And his son killed a journalist because he spoke about it. So now the prosecutor doesn't even want to, ask his son about killing our brother.
And so you're here on this street
So
corner because
today-
you're addressing them, or
The president came here asking for you guys taxpayer money.
U.S. Trump,
American taxpayer money, exactly.
Trump here now?
No, he came here to ask for money.
Oh, President of Mali.
Exact
Yeah.
president of Mali came here.
This is his motorcade.
Exactly. For us to ask for your taxpayer money. When we don't have no school back home. We don't have clean water back home. We don't have a security back home. A basic necessity, which is the clean water, we do not have water back home. When you go to YouTube to see how my school look like, you would say we're on the 14th century. You're not dreaming we're on the 18th century, we're on the 21st century. So this guy, he come here, he go to fancy hotel when my people living $100 a day. This man get paid more than Trump.
I'm gonna head out.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. He get paid more than Donald Trump get paid. So it's unacceptable. Yeah. Watch me. You know me. You know me ngache. You know me abna bodaj me fe. Yen flala. Wala kabna bodam me fe. Ambe kan clean atai. Am tan ding atala je. Abna bo yirum. Ya la kanala chumisa.
Shame on you. Abandon criminal. In Mali. Abba President Ibeka. Shame on you. Voler.
Yeah, abeka boni dale fe ko fe dale fleni. Aka mo bi fle fo wo kono. Voilà. Da principe fle flala.
All we want, we want food.
We want peace.
We want clean water. We want education.
Yes.
That's all we want.
Before you come and
You
embarrass
still our
us
country.
here.
Come here to stay in your hotel. In hotel costs like a $2,000 a day.
Nice.
Spending nothing. We have something going on in Mali. Children are crying for them. No school, no education.
No human rights, no peace, no justice in Mali. Shame on you, Ibeka. Shame on you. Anywhere you go, you're going to see us.
We're gonna follow you everywhere you go. Ladies and gentlemen, America, y'all need to listen to me. Dead man speaking. A dead man speaking. This man come to America asking for you guys taxpayer money. When we in my country, we don't have no education, we don't have no school, we have no job. A basic necessity for human life is the water. We do not have water, we do not have a road. These men get paid more than Donald Trump get paid. We live in a third world country. We live in the 14th century. We're not dreaming. The truth is, we are in the 21st century. But Africa, we live in the stone age. But this man, he live in Africa like a king. But his people living under $1 a day. So he comes here asking for your taxpayer money when your people need it the most. The military family need that money. The African children crying for help, crying for mercy, for help from America. But this guy come here, take that money, your taxpayer money, but he's not gonna spend that money on us. He's not gonna spend that money to the African children. He spend that money to himself. He keep that money to himself. That's why we out here to let America know, before you give your money, think first. Before you give your taxpayer money, think, go check if you're gonna spend that money to African children. He's gonna spend that money to himself. He enriching himself every day when his people dying from hunger. Huh? No, Mali. The president's name is Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta. His name is Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta. You know,
Love
he's my
them.
people. When you look at the United Nations report, shows that most likely over 5 million children might die in my country this year from hunger, from starvation. But this man living like a king. How can you allow that? And in this 21st century, when somebody living like a king, but his population dying from starvation. He take your money, but he's not going to spend that money on us. That's why we're asking for mercy. We're asking for help. I'm speaking to you today. Tomorrow I might be dead, just like many brothers died before me. Why? Because I spoke my mind. There is no freedom of speech in my country. We have a journalist named Ibrahim Toure. His son assassinated him because he's what? Because what? He spoke just the way I'm speaking to you. I spoke my mind because it's the freedom of speech. All human being have a God-given right, which is the freedom of speech. My country, if you speak your mind, you get assassinated, brother. That's why we come here, ask the United Nations, ask for the human right to take a look. My country. I'm not here to bash my country. I'm not here to talk bad about my country. I love my country more than anything. You can take a man out of Africa, but you cannot take Africa out of man. Africa living in me. Man is belong where he. Man is home is where you belong, not where you live here. I live in America, but I belong to Africa. I love Africa more than I love anything in life. You know, I'm here because back home, we have nothing. If I had everything that I had here, I would stay back home. Reason I'm here, because somebody deprived me from my right. Somebody deprived me from job. Somebody deprived me from education. That's why I'm out here to protest against this man that is living like a king. He came here in a hotel. The hotel that cost $18,000 a night. When his people living under $1 a day. How can you accept that? Where is the human right? If Dr. Martin King, if Dr. King said, "Oh men are created equal," where is the equality when somebody living in a fancy hotel, $18,000 a night, when his people dying from hunger, from starvation, $1 a day, under $1 a day? What do you have to say to this man, brother? Do you have any message in the name of human right?
Telling me, I will look into this. This is very important. It's a problem in many countries. I know people from Nigeria and
yes.
their problems with Mr. Buhari.
Yes.
And people in Gambia. Well, I guess Mr. Jammeh left.
Yes.
But he took a lot of money from the country.
Exactly. He's the richest man. You see, Donald Trump is rich. American president get paid $400,000 a year. Isn't that right? $400,000 a year. But this man get paid over millions. He taking the taxpayer money.
Right.
I'm speaking to you today. I call myself dead man. Why am I calling myself dead man? Because I'm speaking my mind. Yeah. If I go back home, he would assassinate me. But you know what? That wouldn't stop me going back home, because home is the way I belong.
No, I understand that.
You know what I'm saying? That's why he's right here. He about to get out from the back door. He don't want to face his own people. His fellows right there, those are his people. Those are children of Africa. One day, we won't be nobody in Africa. African children dying in the ocean. African children dying in the desert. Why they are running away? Somebody depriving them from their job. Somebody depriving them from clean water. Somebody depriving them from education. That's why we are running away. We love back home. We love to be with our brothers and sisters. We love to be with our siblings. Reason are we here? We're here for the American dream. Just like Dr. King said, he had a dream, we have a dream too. We have a dream. One day, African children, African president, they will take a look. Think about their own people. Think about African children. We can progress one day. We can be just like America. Stay home, work, and have a beautiful life back home. Look at me speaking right here. America doesn't disturb me. America doesn't give me a ticket. They don't take me to jail. They don't try to assassinate me because I spoke my mind. Because this land is the freedom of a country. It's the freedom of a country. So my country, you cannot do that. I have a guy here, a picture of it. He got assassinated by his son, the president's son, President Ibrahim Boubacar Keita's son. But the prosecutor did not even bother to call him, ask him, "Yo, young man, you've been accused by the population, saying that you killed this journalist." But nobody has done that. Nobody asked him a question. But he walking around, free man. He's right here in America, and murder living in America, enjoying a beautiful life in a hotel, but nobody asks him a question. Where is the human rights? But he comes in here, take American taxpayer money. But he's not. If he's gonna go spend that money in school, we will appreciate it. If he give clean water to my people, we will appreciate it. But why we say no to it? Because that money not going to my country. That money go to his pocket. That's why we are against it. That's why we are protesting against him. He just lost election less than a month ago. But he doesn't want to leave. He doesn't want to go. He stole the election, but he's still coming here, have a beautiful life in a hotel, $18,000 a night at night. You know, how's that? That's inacceptable. Right. That's why we out here protesting against him. Yes. We're not criminal. We're not thugs. Right. We are regular human beings.
I hear your protest, and I appreciate what you told me. I will. I need to look into this more.
I would appreciate that.
I thank you for sharing the information.
Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you. God bless America. Thank you. Voilà, Mbolmo. Ambeya akamobli be wokono enfe anyabala nyamande be boni wo ife bon maintenant comme on y a be malon jolé na inflala malon fla inflala voilà maintenant d'après si vous fla inflala ils ont résumé d'après si vous de fla mobli ko fait inflala bon donc maintenant quand on bo enfe bon donc a desera ka bo enfe bon nyamambe bo damu fe ko fe da bon donc maintenant on veut faire la do mobli kono depuis wokono bon pour qu'il en fasse kana ke violent entre sera ko fait en bas zoomé yan fait kaira kafoko avec fait ka bo ko fait d'affaires voilà et c'est tout on est là on va nulle part en temps et contrôle là voilà nous on est là voilà non manga magala ere wari ante je Fatou shoni ere itate mui imangata
me horonya tentu
abe saramuna obabo he get pay more than Donald Trump get paid, brothers and sisters. I want you guys to pay attention to that. Go to YouTube and take a look. Voilà, million keme and million biduru. Ima go take a fuita.
150, yeah, 150.
Over $200,000 you get paid a month. So basically, voilà. Malé un bébé hein. Mon bébé abemo. Yeah.
Ubeka négociation sur ubeke kaseka chokoroba inabo. Chef la nous filmer ubeka n'importe ubeke.
Nous ouais. Flesra go faire.
Ibeka dona sous-soldat d'été, sous-soldat.
Nyama me boyro.
Awo, adono.
Mais emaye, c'est-à-dire moi ne fera pas tout. New York au dona. Ibeka dona mobile do kono. Uya la bok nyama be boda me fait. Adona mobile mi ngono. Nkalena alala. Billahi mabako ibeka te songa do mobile kono.
Afokasa.
Attention, arrêtez.
Allez Amérique ya aventure do teson immobilier la.
Adona mungo no kata, attention do kono. Ne rebeka fi, ne jole ngundu. Et puis le problème est que ni président nana abiru présidentiel mobile de kono kata même aduna mobile iba so fana ita jamana drapeau be kala drapeau kuntala atara jodano iba lo mukera atara jodano Trump fait ça veut dire que il n'a même pas représenté le Mali parce que pourquoi dans le club jolembe Amérique drapeau de kumbe Mali drapeau kunte
uta don Mali
gratie non au jamana tena américain et moi ta histoire la kata tubla jamana nini président do jamana wara président jolembe iba so e ka drapeau be e ka drapeau be krefe afana ka drapeau be mais malé wa drapeau kunte ça veut dire quoi ça veut dire que Oumar reconnu ka fo président do Oumar Mali reconnu a yoro la ou ya reconnu do visiteur et puis suro munye mbe fe ka mun fara video nga Fatou suro akoko wa ko kai malé wole kabna kuma malé on fait ko ka réconciliation ke malé on ga sigi ka foke abna kuma malé ndi on fait mais problème est mouillé ani mo ko kemeni bidru mun na avion kono soko na fale ngundo chambre fale ngundo o mo ko kemeni bidru la
pi mo ko ka bomo be banduna
awo chedo bora ashulen ba ka bo teli ngono kana on soro dala kana mana kan fo abe video kono billahi be ka dluki bala ni nye galunda la haramba bola ashulen ba ibe ka mo ko dluki ba kana est-ce que tu vois ou ne o mo ko kemeni bidru mun na kata usigi sal kono ani malien damado RP mo mu be New York ya unulu de tara kata franyo awo ulu de tara franyo nga kata et puis d'abord na soro réconciliation de dou enana kana ira malien de on ka fo et de beka président hali ni aya soro munu ma voter inana ni malen benden be ka be inana ka yurula e ne de ka président ne da be ka président hali na soro ma voter ni oh mais on ye munye ala barka la on mata parce que on ba don an tabalia ka fisa nan tale parce que muna et ni aya soro e na réconciliation de là kuma mo dona mune kuma ka fo boyata est-ce que o réconciliation wa bengo kuma wa oui fa kuna ça veut dire que atara eprem de amata malien oui ne kuntara malien eteta opposant chromatique ka fo ko way boyata o boafa ni uya fo e kunu ya fo ne ka jete iba fo no ayo dabla parce que nana malien dembe de mana malien kele mana eprem oui voilà nana bedi ani foli dabla voilà oui voilà ima avec est-ce que vous avez de mobile qu'on a fait parce que mon de mobile qu'on a fait Fatou ouais il a comment toi là c'est il faut du ouais du tiki ka boli du de onya oui non
vidéo la follow du tiki ka boli du de onya ne re ka ye akera
nyambele ni ko bana maintenant
franchement parler du tiki ka boli du de onya akera ni ne bois que en fadi ye quoi franchement en ira be kanike ke en jenye côté mais akadanye ka changer quoi wallahi ni ere nana amalion mo abe Amerique vidéo la Amerique glalen be choka mina mo ni fa jamana kadi kibe kelia akadi ka jamana ka ke komi yamba franchement
ere bora ideo koro
délégation mi nana ere ke délégation mo munu matli ka se no be de nye bole no yamfe mais aye kelia doni sa
mo ke meni biduru na ku munye
et puis wari be mali la mali te fantan jamana yanga dugukolo please ibeka ame changement drone de quoi non tenir sama puntel
oui
barake drone ni barake wala ni tequila ite ni mérite vraiment mais barake drone mais bara inde fait barake
mais
adama donc
c'est pour cela américain wa don oui er reflet vraiment folie bi e bora fo fula fo dugu wera la ka se fo ya ki don ti ko ni faso ko te itake on re bora fo New York kana exactement mais il y a que causes de bala il ka fo ibe fo ire ula et en président fleuve Ibeka be sara kateme Donald Trump quoi. Ibeka be sara dollari wa kemenani $400,000 par an. Oh ben Ibeka ka 150 millions par an akachani Donald Trump sarai. Oh mais ebena demain ñu lu fait. Oh mais Amérique président be sara là $400,000 par an. Amérique président be sara là. Mais boabe sara kateme Amérique président. Et ango ka on jamana e fantan jamana e. Amérique on mena demain ñu Amérique di. Amérique de fama jamana kateme djembeka. Mais ebe ka on président be sara kateme. Oui.
Nous ni vanier. Nous te comme ça il faut ka police ku na gazi chana. Nous na foi de kana. Ulu kon bantu e mi kadanda e angafo. Mais ulu danyo de ulu se ka foi ke. Ima e drani ne no fe kana ko do Johnny Dache. Anga tanjo afesi.
Oh, ya Johnny Dache parce que aboto. Oh.
Utana ni no fe ko no Johnny Dache.
Oh, alnu beke. Alnu beke. Oh, atala. Alnu beke.
Atena matare ajota de fleni eta.
Non, mais pardon. Obadon, ni a eu une comment faire Fatou. Mundela, Obadon, nous ne sommes pas violents, on est démocrates, on est républicains, ambéants, on a droit de dos. Et pour ceux qui ont chez Joli, à Kachani, chez Tani, au Bénin, au Bapania, on a droit de dos. Bon, donc, on a protesté comme une cadanier. En tout cas, voilà.
La démocratie, bien le droit de l'homme,
exactement. Ali Mohamed Ibeka, ni bolo sa makari di jamana ngona ibita kasola. Ibolo tese Mohamed.
Ya sharia yo mo. Mi kadida yi. Ni mo aka haketo jama lameli jama ni mo yi fanini America iba fanini. On mona atiki mana fe fima ifina ka fama me bolo de kana korota nyokon kama dro de ka gelea. Président farni mugo ni fe on beke ka président boya samara singolo beke ka président be glace statue là ka dien dogama be daka. Mais au teke de kana sama dron. Teke de kana se mo ma ya.
Voilà ambia.
Imaya.
Voilà, voilà, utala de fanata. Voilà.
Et là, moi, qui m'est tagana. Moi, mi rebe ke Kenya ka boyero. Ko an ire fala nyonga e ko ami mo tandurbo.
Voilà, bon donc
minorité de ke de se ka botan tukala eni ni mo ko mena na ko ke protéger anaku una kunkera mu yesa muna fabala.
Non, parce que on a ima journal wera ka journalier ira ka fo umana aleni anana GSM Sahel ko problème de là. Au président Ali. Au président Shimana. Ils n'ont fait GSM Sahel là au Béou comme ministre de Chi. Kanaya. Kanuka problème réglé. Mais pourquoi aller que les mena? Parce que l'excès des Kadaï, hôtel Bau de Kadaï, voyage de Kadaï, avion qu'on a, Kayala Djenya fait. voilà a nakun filɛ nin de
sinon
a nakun tɛ a kun se ka Bubey ci ka na voilà a kun se ka non a kun se ka Kamisa ci ka na Kamisa de ka baara ye nin a kun se ka Kamisa ci a kun se ka Kamisa de ci Kamisa de ka baara ye nin mais ale ka baara tɛ nin ka na nin na bon tu vois bon voilà le problème que an y'a yɛrɛ sɔrɔ a kɔnɔ yan bon donc Fatou dɔw maliyɛn den dɔw ko non k'an bɛ ka Mali lamaloya bon e bɛ kuma jumɛn sɔrɔ ka fɔlɔ e ni Ala ni kira cɛ jamana min kɔnɔ ni jamanatigi tɛ se ka taa a ka jamana fankelen na dutigi min tɛ se ka taa a ka du yɔrɔ dɔ la est-ce que tu vois k'a fɔ e ka du kɔnɔ e ka du côté dɔ bɛ e tɛ se ka taa mɔgɔw dɔw de bɛ e ka du côté dɔ la a b'a fɔ ko taa yen fɛ na yen fɛ dunan de bɛ e ka du kɔnɔ o b'a fɔ e ɲɛna ko i sigi yen fɛ wuli yen fɛ ne bɛ taa du côté min na e bɛ autorisation ɲini o de fɛ est-ce que n bɛ se ka taa yen fɛ wa n bɛ na yen fɛ e jɔnni ye jɔn lamaloya diɲɛ ɲɛ b'o la e dun ka du kɔnɔna don jɔnni ye jɔn lamaloya e de y'an lamaloya wa ou bien quoi
n'a fɔra maliyɛn bɛɛ ɲɛjɔyɔrɔ ye ale de ye maliyɛnw dɔw k'a faamuya quoi bɛɛ fa jamana de ka di ye nin bɛɛ ye jamana in kanu de bɛ k'an bila anw nin bɛɛ la an y'an ka baara min bila et puis u bɛ k'an dɔgɔya dɔw b'a fɔ ko sans papier walayi
i t'i mago la i bɛ kuma ninnu fɛ i b'olu ta i t'olu jaabi Fatou Fatou n'i ye jateminɛ kɛ e ni Ala ni kira cɛ jamana min kɔnɔ an ka ekɔlidenw n'a fɔra k'u bɛ sigi k'u bɛ sigi fɛn de sanfɛ kurun de sanfɛ kilasiw kɔnɔ karataniw kɔnɔ bon e ni Ala ni kira cɛ e ma ɲɛri la ekɔliso ye wa e ma merci ɲɛri la ekɔliso Kɛnzanbugu ekɔliso Jikɔrɔni ekɔliso ko nin de ye Mali ye ko président de bɛna ka n'i da hôteliw kɔnɔ
ne terimuso n'a ba kumana Mali la a ko Fatou n ye mama wele bi k'an bɛ Mali baro la ko mama ko ɲama bɛ Mali la bi ko wa ko ni sanji nana ɲama in bɛ toli de ni ɲama tolila tumu bɛ bɔ tumu de bɛ tagama ka don mɔgɔw ka so kɔnɔ ani ɲama kasa bɛ ka
n'i y'a ye an b'a fɔ ko pali b'an fɛ yen pali ye mun ye nɔgɔ tɛ wa ponsiw falen don ɲama na ɲama bɛ jamana kɔnɔ est-ce que o de tɛ pali ye wa ne e ye pali fura ta cogo cogo ka taa dɔgɔtɔrɔso la i bɛ bɔ yen i bɛna i da ɲama kelen kɔnɔ a pali tɛ ban
a tɛ ban i yɛrɛ bɛ taa bana furakɛ la dɔgɔtɔrɔso kɔnɔ i ni bana
Gabriel Touré la Sulemani Sidibe bɔra n'a ye k'a fɔ Gabriel Touré kɔnɔ hali ɲɛgɛn o tɛ Gabriel Touré kɔnɔ e dialyse machine tɛ anw ka Gabriel Touré kɔnɔ mais président bɛ se ka n'i da hôteliw kɔnɔ yan
parce que et puis que Segu ne bɛ min fɔ ɲɛfɔ kɛ minnu b'a essayer la ka ani ka essayer ka IBK kɔkɔrɔ dɔ nin na adamadenw bɛɛ ka condition tɛ kelen ye olu somɔgɔw bɛ villa cogoya min na bɛɛ somɔgɔw tɛ villa ten maliyɛn bɛɛ tɛ villa ten
mais Fatou kana ɲinɛ dɛ fantanw de ta ka jugu a la ni bɛɛ ye
o fana yɔrɔ b'a la dɛ
n ko fantanw de kule minnu bɛ yen minnu ka du kɔnɔ u tɛ dumuni kɛ siɲɛ 3 olu de ta ka jugu n'a bɛɛ ajɔ n balimamuso y'a kɛ dɔɔni voilà olu ta ka jugu n'a bɛɛ olu ta ka jugu n'a a bɛɛ ye quoi fantanw de ta ka jugu n'a bɛɛ ye bon donc policiers filɛ nin ye u tɛ ka fɛn fɔ n'aw ye voilà policiers filɛ nin ye u tɛ ka foyi fɔ an ye o yɛrɛ filɛ nin ye voilà IBK bɔtɔ filɛ a lajɛ ɲama bɛ bɔ da min fɛ ok we out here okay Ajo ladies and gentlemen, we out here, we not violent. Ajo, we out here, we not violent, we not no criminal. We living in the third world country. IBK butterfly kɔfɛ dafɛ polisiw nana an kɛrɛfɛ ka na yira an bɛ polisiw filmer polisiw nana polisiw filɛ n'an kɛrɛfɛ a butterfly ɲama bɔra fɛ a butterfly Dictator!
dictature, trafic d'influence, Karim, Ibeka, corruption, élection volée,
This president has stolen election. Shame on you! 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 God bless America! God bless America! God bless America! God bless America! God bless! Hey! God bless America! Okay, hey, God bless America! Hey, God bless America! 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 Thank you for allowing us to have a freedom of speech. Thank you, America. Okay, now we're out here. We out of here. We achieve our objective. We achieve our objective. Voilà. 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 Abba les bolas. Camisa ton double, camisa ton double. Wow. Shame on you! Shame on you!
RPM, abat!
Abat les RPM!
Abat le RPM!
Abat les RPM!
Abat les complices!
Listen! America, you see these people, they are the traitors, they betray Africa, they deprive Africa from everything. Look at them here, they live in fancy life in Africa, they live like a king in Africa, they get paid more than you guys get paid over there. Anyone of you guys standing over there, these people right there, they get paid more than you guys get paid. They're living larger than you guys get paid. Look at them. They are mad. You got them. These people right there, they are mad now because they don't want you to know that they are stealing Abba, America. They are mad because they don't want you to know about it. They don't want you to know that they live. Shame on you. They are mad. They don't want you guys to know about it. They're living larger than you. They get paid more than you guys get paid. They don't want you guys to know about it. That's why they are mad. Shame on them. Shame on them.
Shame on them.
Shame on them.
Shame on them.
They are robbing Africa. These people right there, they are the Africa problem. They are the Africa problem. Africa suffering tremendously because of these people. These people don't want you to know about it. That's why she's mad. That's why she's mad. They are the problem of Africa. They are the traitors. They betray Africa. They live in a fancy life in America here. They're living like a king in Africa. When African people living under $1 a day, but these people don't care about us. They don't care about us. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless America. God bless America. God bless America. We are grateful to America. We appreciate you guys. We highly appreciate America for everything. Thank you, America. Thank you for allowing us for freedom. Thank you for your freedom of speech. Thank you for your freedom of movement. Thank you, America. God bless America. God damn all these betrayers. They betray mankind. They are the problem of Africa, not America, not Europe. Africa are the enemy of Africans. Thank you, America. God bless you. Let's go. Voilà, Balmao. C'est ça. Thank you so much. Voilà, merci. Yeah, we can leave. Ambe video nyongirian.